Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new gig on Fiverr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fiverr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fiverr website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials and you will be taken into the homepage after logging in. Now if you wish to create a new gig, then click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Become a Seller. You will now be taken into the seller page from which you can click on Become a Seller once again and then click on Continue to create your new gig. Now within the personal info section, you will need to enter your full name. Choose a profile picture for your account and also select a display name based on what you wish. After choosing your profile picture, enter your description and then select your language. You can add multiple languages if you wish and then click on the Continue button. Once you click on Continue, you will be able to enter your professional information. Choose your occupation. You can then add your skills from the skills section and also enter your education info if you wish. If you have any certification, you can also enter these information within the certification section, and you can also include your personal website if you have one. After entering all the required information, click on the Continue button, and now you can click on Finish and your seller profile will be set up. Click on the Done button and now you will see the gig options. Go ahead and type in your gig title. Finally, you can also enter the search tags that you want to include within your profile. After clicking on Save and Continue, you will be able to set your pricing. Just create your packages by making a name for your basic package and then describe the details of your offering. You can turn on or off the package option and you will be able to set up various different packages based on your preference. Scroll down and click on Save and Continue. You also have the options to enter your previously done work using images, documents, or your video. Upload either one of these files and then click on I declare option at the bottom and then click on Save and Continue. And now you will be asked whether you are a person from the United States. Click on the appropriate option and click on the Save button, and now your gig has successfully been created. You can click on the Save and Preview button and your gig will now be visible to individuals who are looking to hire someone on Fiverr. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new gig on Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.